How to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and here to guide you on how to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the map icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Make sure to turn on the location for your Snapchat application and then head towards the gear icon at top right corner in order to toggle the button off for ghost mode. When you enable this, then your friends won't be able to see your location. Also, you won't be see their location. So make sure to toggle the button off for ghost mode. Now come back and here you can choose any of the area and here you need to find out different kinds of peoples on the particular area. So let's click on Himalaya College of Engineering and here you will get different kinds of people who have saved the snaps, and then you can visit the profile of the particular user and then tap on the add button in this way and you can add nearby friends on Snapchat. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.